Hello everyone and welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'll be sharing with you super easy classic chicken vegetable recipe. First of all, we're going to marinate the chicken. I have taken here 500 grams chicken. This is thigh portion of the chicken and I have cut into like 1 or 2 inch pieces, washed well. So in this boneless chicken, first of all, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. After that, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now, if you have dark and light soy sauce, so you can just divide it into half tablespoon of light soy sauce, half tablespoon of dark soy sauce. After soy sauce, I am adding 1 teaspoon of cooking wine. So this is sharks and wine, and in case if you don't have, you can easily skip this. After adding all these sauces, we're gonna mix the chicken. Now, in case if you want to replace the chicken thighs with the breast pieces, that is also fine. So we will evenly coat all these chicken pieces well with these sauces. Now, after marinating, we will cover the chicken and allow to rest it for next 30 minutes. So in the pan, I've added 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, and once it's hot, we will add the marinated chicken pieces to the pan. Spread the chicken pieces evenly, and now we will cook the chicken for another 4 to 5 minutes on low medium flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, we'll flip over and allow the chicken to cook from the other side also. After 4 to 5 minutes, when the chicken starts getting soft and it's almost like 80% cooked, we'll slow down the gas and transfer these chicken pieces along with the juices in a bowl. To the same pan, after transferring the chicken, we will add 2 more teaspoons of cooking oil, and next we will add 1 inch of ginger piece finely chopped, 3 to 4 garlic cloves finely chopped. Stir for next 20 seconds. Next we will add sliced bell peppers. Bell pepper you can use any color of your choice or whatever is available. 5 to 6 broccoli florets, julienne carrots, and now we will stir for another 2 to 3 minutes until vegetables are tender yet crisp. Now we'll return the cooked chicken to the pan. Next we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste, mix well. We will cook the chicken for another 2 to 3 minutes on low medium flame. Next we will add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch slurry and 2 teaspoons of sriracha sauce. Mix again. When the gravy starts to thicken, we'll garnish it with freshly chopped coriander. Mix well, and yes, our chicken is ready. Switch off the flame and let's serve. Now we'll garnish it with some sesame seeds and enjoy this recipe with simple boiled rice or noodles. I hope you liked the recipe. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for giving us your time. See you in the next recipe episode on Timsy's Tasty Table and Travel. Until then, take care and bye bye.